Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk about Canva application on mobile phone, and I would like to show to you the way how you can save this specific page on your project to be saved into your mobile phone. Open your Canva right away, and then you just need to open the documents that you want to save here. And wait until it's perfectly open. So let's say here I already have this all documents, and I only want to save the specific page, which is this product overview only. So if you want to save the specific page from your project, you just need to go click this icon on the top right corner, and there will be a download option. Go click it, and the next thing you need to do is just go pick what type of documents format that you want to use. I would like to have a JPG because I would like to save it as a picture. And then here, if you want to select the specific page, you just need to go click this all page, and you just need to only pick the page that you want to save. Since I only want to go download the page 4, so I will let you go uncheck this all, and then just go click this current page, and then you just need to go click done. And now you just need to go click download, and then you just need to wait until the downloading process is finished. And I'll let to bring you to check it, guys. So this is the project that I have, and then let's just go back into our home screen and open the photos, and you'll see now this project already saved on our photo library. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.